Hello guys, welcome back again another video. In this video we will talk about Kangana Sharma. Kangana Sharma has been creating wave with her bold and glamorous Instagram photoshoot looks, showcasing a striking combination of confidence, fashion and pose. In her most recent photoshoot, she opted for a black leather inspired outfit, pairing a crop top with subtle strap that accentuated her toned figure and fashion forward sensibility. Her choice of soft glam makeup, defined browns, and voluminous hairstyle add to her elegance to her edgy attire, to making her overall appearance both fairy and feminine. The crop top has long sleeves and high neckline. It appeared to be made of sheer of chamois based fabric, possibly net mousse and greenish tone, completely covered in various sized, sparkling embellishments. The clear circular crystal and dainty part across the entire surface of top, giving it a shimmering, glamorous appearance. The highlights of open back design for the top, adding a modern revealing elements to the formal attire. The ensemble is designed for formal occasions such as parties or events, emphasizing sparkles and trendy lustres. She attended the red carpet event, where her look went viral. The event appears to have taken place around December. Event recognized achievements in the digital and the over-the-top OTT space. It featured intricate embroideries with the ivory thread, sequins and pearls in an abstract pattern. The outfit included a long-sleeved, suited neck blouse and a voluminous skirts with scalloped borders. The net fabric gives it a delicate and elegant appearance. This style is commonly associated with bridal or wedding events. Ensemble is the popular choice of engagements or reception due to its elegant design. Her physical presence reflects a strong sense of self-assured style. She balanced bold fashion, flawless blooming that highlight her features. The way she carried off itself, relaxed yet commanding, emphasizing her long legs, defining lustres and sculpture counters, which photo editor and fans alike have praised across social media platforms. The luxurious black symbols further complements her skin tone and the subtle shimmer of accessories, creating a visually stunning contrast that instantly grabs attention. The dress is sheer, form-fitting garments with a high neckline. It features a unique and colorful pattern or styled red colors and blue flowers with green stems. The floral motified are symbols with sparkling rhinestone on beads, adding texture and sparkles. The sleeveless design and light fabric give an elegant yet bold appearance. The viewer has accessorized these striking symbols with a vibrant orange feather boa, creating a dramatic and a fashionable look. The top features a twisted design on the front, creating a keyhole cutouts that accentuated the cleavage. It has long sleeves and exposed the midriff. This matching skirt also incorporates a twisted, roots elements in the waistline. The fabric appears to be silky and styling materials, giving it a silky and a glamorous look. It is a form-fitting white mini dress. The dress features a sequence neckline and long sleeves. The bodice has a corset-inspired culture with sheers, mesh panels. Both the sleeves and the skirts are made up of open knits, perforated fabrics. The overall look is elegant and modern. Beyond just the clothing, Kangana's photogenic expression and poses play a big role in elevating the visuals, whether it's a direct gaze into the camera or a candid side-view glance. She projects a blend of sensuality and strength. Her makeup choice, from glossy nude lips to soft contouring, work harmoniously with her hairstyle to fame her face beautifully, giving her a glamorous finish that resonates with her social media platform followers and fashion admired alike. This elegant dress is a timeless staple for any wardrobe. Its established design highlights the shoulders and collarbones. The body-hugging lustres creating a sleek and modern look. Crafted in a deep black fabric, it offers versatility and various occasions. A simple yet chic mini dress, perfect for a night out. It is a light color, likely off-white or cream, netted organza sari. The garment features delicate, intricate white floral embroideries and lace trim along the borders. the sheer fabric providing an elegance and sophisticated look. The sari is paired with a matching fitted blouse with a sweater neckline. The overall style is glamorous and subtle for formal events and celebrations. Fans and fashion lovers responded enthusiastically to these posts, applauding not just her outfit but the ability to go on bold looks with confidence. On Instagram, images of her sleek black dresses of many outfits have gone viral, with admirers calling out stunning beauties, style versatility, and fearless approach to fashion. Through these posts, Kangana continued to reinforce her image and rising influencer. Kangana continued to reinforce her image as a rising influencer style icon who isn't not afraid to experiment while staying true to her personal aesthetic. So guys, here's the some detail of Kangana Sharma, and if you like this video then don't forget to subscribe Celeb Clip for more videos like this.